3, 2, 1, switch. That's it, guys! Yes! Oh my God!
Can I recreate this shot with just my arms and an iPhone and a car and a motorcycle, whatever? I'm gonna need a rider. I have elected this fine gentleman to be doing that. I'm going to need a car or a vehicle of some sort. 3, my iPhone. I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Without any further ado, let's dive into the shot. If you see it, you think this shot's great, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit the share button, leave a comment, let me know how bad or good I did.